Okay, so found the best way to set this up. As you can see, I've got this all going on nicely. Regardless of the situation here, I touch it and part of the bowl goes out. Oh, there we go. So, just drawing a bit of power from there. I do have the negative still attached up the other end, but I've worked out the best way to get the power down. I've got 1.44 watts. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to do something. So I've been using this knife, and it works pretty well. I can really regulate it well. So what I do is I put the knife in the right position, about half a mil from the wire, and I allow the power to go on when I connect up the wire. But then I just reduce the amps down, and then that automatically just reduces down the voltage. And then I can adjust the knife and get the most amount of power. But what I do notice is if I touch the wire, I've got to reset it. I've got to disconnect that wire there and reconnect it, and then I get to go again. For some reason, it stops the oscillation at this low power. That's understandable, I guess. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually, and the other part is I've put that, okay, cool, we'll do that. So I put that coil around the copper coil. So the Litz wire is around the copper coil now. I could spread that out, just like that, how I touch that, it goes, right. But I've also got attached, which I nearly forgot, is there it is. Just gotta, okay. If I touch it, I don't even have to touch it. I can just bring my fingers so close. You can see that I'm not actually touching that. So I'm an earth to this neon. And if I touch the wires, nothing happens. Even one wire here, one wire there, but if I touch the actual glass, because it's AC, see, I guess, so if I touch one or touch the other, it doesn't mean anything. But if I become I guess I'm the center ground, right? I'm the center tap. I touch the glass of the neon. That's really interesting. So I'm going to wrap a wire around that now and try and get that to be connected to Earth via the atmosphere. And what was the other thing I was going to do? Luke Skywalker. Nice saber, that one. The other thing I was going to do was okay. So I've got this other. The light's pretty dim. Okay, I'm going to leave the video there, but I want to try the other. I don't want to try too many things at once because you know how you get lost. But I can't believe that's 1.4 watts. So, yes, that's the other thing. Okay, I'm going to put the other tube, same as this, connected up the other end to the two earth grounds, and then coming down here. So it'll be connected parallel, earth ground, be connected to both up this end, and then it'll come up down here. And I want to see if it'll light or go path straight to earth ground and not light this one. And then I want to see if I can attach an earth ground to this end and still get some action. It's times.